Hi guys, this is my first devlog. I want to tell you what I managed to do this week. I was developing an aiming and archery system. I had to make some adjustments to the ability system in order for everything work correctly. I see how it's work and I really like it. The character can aim by pressing the right mouse button, and when release the right mouse button, a shoot occurs. Without waiting for the completion on the shot, the animation can be interrupted by jumping, dodging or running, which make this mechanic very dynamic. It was necessary to make the character shoot exactly at the marker, which is located on the center of the screen. I projected a beam from the center of the camera forward and get raycast hit coordinates. If the character is looking somewhere in the sky or raycast is false, I made another function so the marker is projected at a certain distance. Although the system for launching an arrow has not been implemented, you can already see that the aiming is correctly. The marker is on the screen matches the marker where the character is aiming. To rotate character in the direction of the marker, I used an add-on called animation rigging. I also had bug fixes. The biggest problem I faced is the state machine behavior. When I make a transition from one state to another, enter state fires before the exit state is previous state. When I make transition from one state to another, enter state fires before the exit state of the previous state. Solving this problem made me sweat. I put reset trigger in the exit state and they restarted themselves. That was a big problem. I'm using Bitbucket to store the project. I accidentally clicked one of the branches. My project rolled back a whole week ago. All the code that I wrote, it was just disappeared. It almost made me cry. 5 minutes later, I started checking the folders with the files, and I found that all the code is still there. I was very happy because it's a lot of work to write again. Although I remember everything, but it's still, I need to better deal with those tools that I do work. That's all I wanted to tell you. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. Bye.